Capability-based types of artificial intelligence. Narrow AI, also known as artificial narrow intelligence or weak AI, is designed and trained on a specific task or narrow range task. They are built to serve and excel in one cognitive capability and cannot independently learn skills beyond their design. Narrow AI is everywhere, from the voice assistant like Siri or Alexa to chatbots on websites to recommendation engines used by platforms like Netflix or Amazon. Narrow AIs are programmed to excel in specific tasks like facial recognition, navigation through traffic using GPS apps. Narrow AI utilizes machine learning, natural language processing, and neural network algorithms. Artificial General Intelligence. Artificial General Intelligence, also called General AI or Strong AI, refers to a theoretical form of AI that can learn, think, and perform a wide range of tasks at a human level. Imagine an AI that's good at all tasks, a type of artificial intelligence that may mix human cognitive abilities. It's not just about processing power or data, it's about understanding consciousness, intuition, emotions, and the nuances of human intelligence. Currently, AGI does not exist. Robots similar to humans could be potential application. Artificial superintelligence. Artificial superintelligence or super AI. This is an AI that doesn't just mimic human intelligence, it surpasses it in every possible way. It's theorized that once AI has reached the general intelligence level, it will soon learn at such a fast rate that its knowledge and capabilities will become stronger than that of even humankind. Super intelligent AI raises concerns about our role as humans. How do we coexist with an intelligence greater than our own? This pushes us to think about AI takeovers. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, do like, share and subscribe to Always. Also press bell icon to get notified.